Simply drag the light-dark bar in rows and columns to freeze your panes, but it will be dragged when a hand sign appears by hovering over it. Alternatively, you can go to the View tab, then click Freeze, and select the relevant option according to your needs. Hey, thanks for watching the tutorial at Mahadees.com. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel to get ass-saving tips and tricks about your IT problems. But don't forget to visit Mahadees.com to get in-depth tutorial. Link is in the description.